everyone, I'm Amber Oliver. Welcome to my channel where I share easy DIY tutorials, colorful crafts, and more. Today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow flower-shaped DIY stepping stones. Start by laying out your rocks, separate them into groups of 5 or 6. Next, spray paint each of your flower petals in different colors, depending on how many stones you want. Also, paint the flower middles. One of my favorite things about our home is how much color we've managed to fill it with. With this project, we bring some of that color to our backyard as well. After we painted our patio, I wanted to add a little bit more color in the garden. For this project, you'll need a bag of river rocks, Quickcrete, spray paint, pie tins, Vaseline, and sanding block. Now I'm calling these stepping stones, but honestly, they're really for decoration. If you want to use them as a walkway, you need to reinforce them somehow. But I created these colorful step stones in one afternoon. The concrete sets up really fast, so once you have your rocks painted, you simply pour the concrete and place your stones. Now grease the pie tins with petroleum jelly or Vaseline. This will make it easy to get them out later. Mix up your concrete according to the package directions. I'll link for you the one that I used. It was super easy to mix and set up nicely. Like I mentioned, I created these stepping stones to be purely decorative. If you really want to walk on them, you'll need to use, first of all, a thicker pie tin, and you'll also need to add in some reinforcement like chicken wire or something like that. You just don't want the concrete to break. Use a disposable cup to scoop up some of that concrete. Quickly spread the concrete into a pie tin. You have to kind of work fast here because this stuff really starts setting quickly. Press the stones into the concrete to form the shape of a flower. Or like I said, do whatever shape you want. You can obviously use whatever color paint you have for this project, but I recommend not using cheap spray paint. If you want the colors to last, make sure you're using a quality spray paint that's made for outdoors. Go crazy with your colors though. I love all the rainbow shades from Color Shot. Now for mine, I created this fun flower design, but you can do whatever design you like. Maybe you spell out your family initials, or maybe spell out your name over several stones, as long as your name isn't super long. I found these pie tins at the Dollar Tree, so they were super cheap. At first I considered using disposable ones, but those have bumps in the bottom and they weren't smooth, so these actually worked better. Using the Vaseline will make it to where your stepping stone pops out super easily and you can actually reuse these over and over. Maybe not for baking though. Let the stones cure completely, then remove them from the pie tins. You may find that you need to gently sand some of the edges. This would be a fun project to do with your kids, grandkids, or just with yourself. I hope this project inspires you to create your own DIY stepping stones. Be sure to check out our other colorful DIY projects and subscribe so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.